हेलो फ्रेंड, मैं हूं डॉक्टर महेश। वेलकम टू होम्योक्योर चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे नोसोड। नोसोड ऑल्सो कॉल एज बायोथेराप्यूटिक्स। डॉक्टर कॉन्स्टेंटिन हेरिंग इंट्रोड्यूस इट। नोसोड डिराइव फ्रॉम टू ग्रीक वर्ड। फर्स्ट, नोसोस मीन्स डिजीज, सीडियोस मीन्स अपीयरेंस, डिजीज में से बनने वाली मेडिसिन। क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ नोसोड. The nosode are classified into the following heads based on their sphere of action and clinical application. 5 type of nosode. First, basic nosode. Second, exantheme nosode. Third, isopathic nosode. Fourth, intestinal nosode. And fifth, autogenous nosode. First, basic nosode. In first, Sorinum, second tuberculinum, third basilinum, fourth syphilinum, fifth medorinum, and sixth carcinosinum. First, Sorinum. Source: the product of each an eruption, scabies, vesicle. Used for eczema and other extraditable skin disease. Dose: 200 and higher potency. Duration: 30 to 40 days. Tuberculinum. Source: tubercular abscess from culture bacilli from human tubercular lesion. Use: Koch disease. Dose: 30C and higher potency 1 month after repetition. Duration: 60 to 120 days. Basilinum. Source: a maceration of a typical TB lung. Uses: tuberculosis ringworm. Dose: should not be given below the 30. Repeat after week. Duration: 30 to 120 days. Fourth, syphilinum. Source: from syphilitic lesion in primary or early second stage. Syphilitic virus. Use: ichthyosis, syphilitic affection, chronic eruption and rheumatism. Pain from darkness to daylight. Doses: the highest potency only 1 cm potency use. Duration: 40 to 60 days. Medorinum. Source: urethral discharge from patient having acute gonorrhea, the gonorrheal virus. Use: deep acting medicine, gonorrhea, chronic pelvic disorder. Dose: the very highest potency 10 potency. Duration: 20 to 60 days. Carcinosinum. Source: from cancerous tissue. Use: carcinoma of the mammary gland. Dose: 30C and 200C potency. Dose at night or less frequency. Exantheme nosode. Exantheme means rashes. Exantheme nosode in first, morbillinum, second, peritidinum, third, vaccininum, fourth, pertussinum, fifth, diphterinum, sixth, anthracinum, seventh, melandrinum, eighth, variolinum, and nine, influenzinum. First, morbillinum. Source: nosode of measles. Use: measles. Dose: 30 potency given single dose and weight. Second, parotidinum. Source: nosode of mumps. Use: mumpsin. Dose: 30 potency single dose and weight. Third, vaccininum. Source: the lymph from cowpox pustules. Use: chickenpox, smallpox. Doses: 6 to 200 potency given single dose and weight. Fourth, pertussinum. Source: nosode of whooping cough. Use: whooping cough. Dose: 30 potency given single dose and after weight. Fifth, diphterinum. Source: from diphtheric membrane. Use: diphtheria. Dose: 30 to 200 cm potency. Not be repeated frequently. 6. Anthracinum. Source: alcoholic extract of anthrax poison. Prepare from spleen of sheep, of cattle ill with the disease. Use spleen diseases, septic inflammation and malignant ulcer. Dose 30 potency, single dose and weight. 7. Melandrinum. Source: from the grease of horse. Use chickenpox, smallpox. Dose 30 potency and highest, given single dose and weight. 8. Variolinum. Source: lymph from smallpox pustules. Use chickenpox, smallpox. Dose 6 to 30 potency, given single dose and weight. Influenzinum. Source: influenza. Use influenza disease in. Dose 30 C potency, given single dose and 7 days after repeat. Isopathic nosode. First, streptococcinum. Second, pneumococcinum. Third, staphylococcus. Fourth, malaria officinalis. Fifth, pyrogenum. First, streptococcinum. Source: streptococcus nosode. Use antibiotics medicine. Tonsillitis, infectious disease, fever, strep throat, sore throat. Dose 6C potency, given single dose and weight. Second, pneumococcinum. Source: pneumococcus nosode. Use pneumonia in. Dose 10 m, given single dose. Third, staphylococcinum. Source: staphylococcus nosode. Use skin infection, bacterial infection, impetigo, cellulitis. Dose 30 C potency, given single dose. Fourth, malaria officinalis. Source: decomposed vegetable matter, decay pyrogen and decay fish. Use malarial fever in heptic disease in. Dosage 200 C, morning 3 days. Pyrogenum. Source: from decomposed lean beef. Use great remedy for septic state. Septic fever, homeopathic dynamic antiseptic. Dose 13 C to 200 C and higher. Not repeat frequently. Intestinal nosode, bowel nosode. Stool culture in many chronic diseases show a presence of non-lactose fermenting bacteria, so called bowel nosode. Type of intestinal nosode. First, Bacillus morgan. Second, Bacillus proteus. Third, Bacillus number 7. Fourth, Bacillus gaertner. Fifth, dysentery compound. 6. Psychotic compound. 7. Bacillus mutable. 8. Bacillus phasalis. 9. Bacillus number 10 and 10. Coccal compound. Bacillus morgan. Source: Bacillus morgan is type of non-lactose organism most frequently found in stool. Biochemistry: sulfur and calcarea carb. Use congestion is the keynote. Repeated bronchopneumonia in children. Dose 30 C potency. Two type of Bacillus morgan. Type A, Morgan pure. Type B, Morgan gaertner. A, Morgan pure. Biochemistry: sulfur. Use indicated when there is marked skin eruption, disturbance of liver, bilious headache or gallstone. Dose 30 C potency. Morgan gaertner. Biochemistry: lycopodium. Use useful in acute inflammatory condition in renal colic and gallstone colic. Aggravation 4 to 8 pm. Dose 30 C potency. Second, Bacillus proteus. Biochemistry: element is chlorine, natramure. Uses suddenness in nearly all complaint, always related to central and peripheral nervous system. Dose high potency like 1 m 10 m. Third, Bacillus number 7. Source, this is so named because it was the seventh non-lactose fermenting type of Bacillus. Biochemistry, bromine and iodine combination with potassium. Use, mental and physical fatigue. Old rheumatism. Dose, 30 C given every 2 to 4 hours. Relieved after not repeated. Fourth, Bacillus gaitner. Biochemistry, Silesia, phosphorus, Merck virus. Use, malnutrition. Dose, 30 C daily. Fifth, dysentery compound. Biochemistry, arsenic alb. Use, anticipatory nervous tension. Congenital pyloric stenosis. Doses, higher potency 1 m single doses and psychotic compound. Source, coccus found in the intestinal tract. Biochemistry, Thuja. Use, a pre-tubercular remedy. Irritability with special reference to synovial and mucous membrane. Dose, higher potency 1 m single dose and weight. 7. Bacillus mutable. Source, B. coli and the true non-lactose fermenting type. Biochemistry, Pulsatilla. Use, alteration of symptom. Food allergy, all type. Albuminuria, eruption alternate with asthma. Dose, higher potency, single dose and weight. 8. Bacillus phasalis. Source, found in stool. Biochemistry, sepia. Similar to sepia. Not well proved. 9th, Bacillus number 10. Use, spongy gums, cannot digest egg and fat, lipoma, warts on hand, greenish fish smelling, leucorrhea. Dose, 30 C given every 2 to 4, relieved after not repeated. 10. Cocal compound, in septic state, not well prove this medicine. Autogenous nosode, they are drug prepared from the secretion or discharge from the pathological tissue or organ of the patient himself for the treatment of that very disease state. According to the source, they are grouped into first human source, second animal source, third plant source. First, human source. Human source in first Bacillinum, second Bacillinum testinum, third Botulinum, fourth Carcinosinum, fifth Pertussinum, sixth Diphtherinum, 7 Epihysterinum, 8 Influenzinum, 9 Medorinum, 10th Melitegrinum, 11 Morbillinum, 12 Parotidinum, 13 Sorinum, 14 Syrinum, 15 Syphilinum, 16 Tuberculinum. Bacillinum testinum. Source, prepare fresh TB testicle. Use, testicular tuberculosis. Dose, 200 C potency, single dose and weight. Botulinum. Source, from exotoxin of Clostridium botulinum. Use, food poisoning, Clostridium bacterial infection. Dose, 30 C potency, given 2 to 4 hours. Relieved after stop. Epihysterinum, from the fibroid tumor of uterus. Use, uterine hemorrhoid, fibroid tumor. Dose, 30 C, 1 to 2 dose weekly. Melitegrinum. Source, the nosode of eczema capitis. Use, eczema capitis. Dose, Sirhinum. Source, the product of Sirhus cancer. Use, breast cancer. Dose, 200 C, 5 drop half cup of water. Other human source already mentioned in basic nosode and examine them nosode. Second, animal source. Animal source in Anthracynum, Aviar. Third, Hydrophobium. Fourth, Meladrinum. Fifth, Pyrogenum. Sixth, Vaccinum. And seven, Umbragesia. Aviar source from the tuberculosis bacteria of chicken. Use lung, bronchitis, influenza and TB. Dose 5 drops 3 times a day. Hydrophobium source from the saliva of rabbit dog. Use nervous system, itching bone, abnormal sexual desire, convulsion by dazzling light or sight of running water. Dose 30C potency. Umbragesia source morbid product from the belly of the sperm whale fistula microcephalus. Use constipation, dyspepsia, menstrual disorder, nervousness, numbness. Doses 30C 3 to 5 drop 2 to 2. Other animal source mentioned in examine them and isopathic nosode. Third, plant source. First, sickle core. Second, Ustilago. Third, Nectarinium. First, sickle core. Source from a fungus growing upon the seed of sickle core and other grains. Use amenorrhea, miscarriage, childbirth, hemorrhage and pain in uterus. GIT. Dose 30C potency. Ustilago source from a fungus growing on the stem grain of Indian corn. Use sexual organ in males and female. Dose 3x potency 3 to 4 times a day. Nectarinium source nosode of cancer of trees. Use carcinoma, epithelioma. Doses higher potency in single dose. वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। जय हिंद।